Hey everyone, Lily Singh here. Ever dreamed of making videos that rack up millions of views? You know, the kind that have everyone talking and sharing? I've been lucky enough to experience that firsthand, and let me tell you, it's an incredible feeling. But here's the thing, going viral isn't about luck. It's about strategy, creativity, and a whole lot of passion. In this essay, I'm going to break down the steps to creating YouTube shorts that grab attention and keep those views climbing. We'll dive into everything from choosing the perfect topic to optimizing your videos for search engines. And of course, we'll talk about how to turn your viral fame into cold, hard cash. Get ready to unleash your inner filmmaker and become the next YouTube sensation. The first step to creating amazing content is simple. Choose a topic you genuinely love. Think about it. Would you rather spend hours working on something you find boring, or something that lights you up inside? Your passion will shine through in your videos, making them more engaging and authentic. Plus, when you're excited about what you're creating, it doesn't even feel like work. Whether it's gaming, makeup tutorials, comedy sketches, or anything in between, let your personality be your guide. Remember, the internet is vast, and there's an audience out there for every interest. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace your passions and let them fuel your creative fire. Now that you've got your passion project in mind, it's time to talk about production value. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, an enthusiastic YouTuber, or someone just looking to create engaging content, understanding the basics of production can make a world of difference. Don't worry, I'm not talking about Hollywood-level budgets here. You don't need $1 million setup to create something truly captivating. With a bit of ingenuity and resourcefulness, you can achieve impressive results without breaking the bank. But there are a few key things you can do to make your videos stand out from the crowd. It's all about focusing on the elements that truly matter and making the most of what you have. First impressions matter, so grab attention from the get-go with a strong intro. This is your chance to hook your audience and make them want to stick around for more. Think catchy music, bold visuals, or a quick preview of the awesome content to come. A well-crafted intro sets the tone and gives viewers a taste of what to expect. Next up, lighting and audio. These two elements can make or break your video. Good lighting can make all the difference in the world, making your videos look more professional and visually appealing. Even simple adjustments can have a big impact, and clear audio is crucial for keeping viewers engaged. Poor sound quality can be distracting and take away from the overall experience. Finally, don't underestimate the power of editing. This is where you can really bring your vision to life. Dynamic cuts, cool transitions, and well-placed music can elevate your videos from good to amazing. Editing allows you to refine your content and add that extra polish. Remember, you don't need fancy equipment to create high-quality videos. It's all about how you use what you have. A smartphone and some creativity can go a long way. With the right techniques and a bit of practice, you can produce content that captivates and engages your audience, no matter your budget or experience level. So get out there and start creating. Section 4. SEO Secrets. Getting your videos seen by millions. Okay, you've poured your heart and soul into creating an awesome video. You've spent countless hours brainstorming, filming, and editing to make sure every detail is perfect. But now comes the crucial part, getting people to actually see it. You might be wondering, how do I get my video in front of the right audience? This is a common challenge for many content creators. But don't worry, there's a solution. This is where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. SEO is a powerful tool that can help your videos rank higher in search results, making them more visible to potential viewers. Think of SEO as the secret sauce that helps your videos rank higher in search results. Just like a chef adds the perfect blend of spices to make a dish stand out, you need to add the right SEO elements to make your video stand out. When people search for keywords related to your content, you want your video to be the one that pops up first. This means you need to understand what your audience is searching for and tailor your content to meet those needs. Start by doing keyword research to see what terms people are using to find videos like yours. There are many tools available, such as TubeBuddy and Google Keyword Planner, that can help you identify the best keywords for your content. Once you've identified your keywords, incorporate them naturally into your video title, description, and tags. This will help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and rank it accordingly. Tools like TubeBuddy can be super helpful for optimizing your videos and tracking your progress. They offer features like keyword suggestions, SEO scores, and analytics that can give you insights into how your videos are performing and where you can improve. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistent effort to see results, but with patience and persistence, you can make sure your videos reach the widest possible audience. Keep refining your strategy, stay up to date with the latest SEO trends, and most importantly, keep creating great content that resonates with your audience. With the right approach, your videos can be seen by millions. Section 5. Cashing in on your creativity. Monetization magic. In this section, we will explore the various ways you can turn your passion for creating videos into a lucrative venture. Whether you're just starting out or already have a growing audience, there are multiple avenues to explore. Let's be real, who wouldn't love to make some money from their passions? The idea of earning an income by doing something you love is incredibly appealing, and the best part is, it's entirely possible with the right strategies and a bit of dedication. The good news is, YouTube offers several ways to monetize your videos and turn your creativity into a source of income. From ad revenue to sponsorships, the opportunities are vast and varied. Let's dive into some of the most popular methods. One of the most common methods is through AdSense. AdSense allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your videos. The more views and clicks your ads receive, the more revenue you generate. It's a straightforward way to start earning from. Once you become a YouTube partner, you can enable ads on your videos and earn money based on views and clicks. Another option is sponsorships. Sponsorships can be incredibly lucrative, especially as your channel grows and attracts more attention. As your channel grows, you might get approached by brands looking to collaborate. These collaborations can range from simple product reviews to more in-depth partnerships where you create dedicated content for the brand. This could involve anything from reviewing products to featuring them in your videos. The key is to find brands that align with your content and audience, ensuring that the partnership feels natural and authentic. And don't forget about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to monetize your channel. By promoting products or services you love, you can earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. You can promote products or services you love and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. This method works particularly well if you have a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. The key is to choose monetization methods that align with your brand and audience. It's important to understand your viewers and what they value. This will help you select the best monetization strategies that resonate with them. Remember, authenticity is key, so only promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Your audience can tell when you're being genuine, and this trust is crucial for long-term success. By staying true to yourself and your brand, you can build a sustainable and profitable YouTube channel. In conclusion, monetizing your YouTube channel is a journey that requires patience, creativity, and strategic planning. By exploring different monetization methods and staying authentic to your brand, you can turn your passion into a rewarding career. So, start experimenting with these strategies and watch your channel grow.